It has been raining the whole morning and I feel so cold, so I'm gonna have some noodle. If you like Korean noodle, you might have tried this Shin noodle before. I'm okay with it, but it's just too spicy for me and it's a bit pricey. And the other day, I find this Korean noodle. It's a bit cheaper and it's seafood amount, so I hope it won't be as spicy as the Shin noodle. But apparently, they are from the same company. So I guess the texture will be more or less the same. Okay, let's take a look. It has the noodle. Yes, the noodle is more or less the same as the Shin noodle. I'm gonna put it into the hot water now because the water is ready. Let's see what's inside. It has the soup powder. It's a udon soup. I'm not quite sure how's it gonna taste like because the noodle definitely is instant noodle and it's not the udon. And then it has the vegetable sachet. Oh, and it also got a piece of seaweed. Yeah, it's seaweed. Don't think it's garbage or whatever and throw it away. It's seaweed, it's good stuff. Let's take a look what is inside this bag. Normally it's just small pieces of vegetables that you cannot eat. Oh! What's that? I got a few of this cute little piece. And then some, not sure if it's carrot or chili, but it got quite a lot of seaweed. Oh, I love it. The Shin noodle needs to cook for a while, but this one, I just put it in. It looks quite soft already. Now I'm going to put the soup into the bowl because I don't like to put it into the pot because sometimes it's just too much water. Okay, smells like normal soup powder. Sprinkle in. Normally I just use half a bag, otherwise it's too salty. Okay, put the noodle in, it's ready. Gonna mix it. Oh, my seaweed as well. Gonna soak it in. Maybe I should cook it for a minute or two because I can feel that it's pretty hard. Well, I can smell the seaweed. If you love seaweed, you should try this noodle. Because the seaweed, look at it. It's quite a big piece. And also take a look of the biggest piece. It's softer now, but it's thicker, so it should be a bit chewy. And now is the cute little panda or bear, whatever. Yeah, it should be something, I don't know. I think it pretends to be something like fish. In our last live stream, we're talking about IF, keto diet, and quitting carbs. But you can see that it's quite difficult for me. I'm eating carbs again because the weather is cold and a bowl of hot soup with noodle is just so comforting. Just finished filming a video. It's already 3 p.m. I feel like eating something. But I'm not gonna cook because I'm gonna move back to my studio tomorrow. Otherwise, it's quite difficult to move your leftover food, you know. So I'm gonna have a bagel. And then I'm gonna have some leftover vegetables for dinner. Take a look of this bagel, guys. Can you hear it? It's so crunchy. That's why I love the bagel. Cream cheese is the best friend of bagel. They should go together. They should get married. High carbs day. Whatever. I can't go back to my studio. My landlord just told me that they still have the renovation going on. So I'm gonna stay here for another week. Now I need to unpack. Yeah, because I packed and prepared to go back there. Then I need to go out to get some drinking water. By the way, the curfew time changed again in Guatemala. It's from 6 p.m. till 5 a.m. But it only applied till June 7th. So it means that, well, I think it means that we can go out on the weekend. Last night when I opened my door to take my delivery, a few dogs were hanging out in front of my door. And this morning, when I opened my door, one dog was just sort of like he knew that I was going to come out and he was waiting for me. I guess they were very, very hungry because no one was allowed to be out on the weekend. Yeah, I'm not quite sure if they are street dog or they're owned by somebody, but it never happened to me before in this neighborhood. Now I'm gonna take a walk or maybe get them some dog food as well. I tried to fit 2 dogs in here before, but they just ignored me. I just saw a food truck. Yeah, they're so loud. I bought 2 papaya, only 5 quesadillas each. So it's less than $1. I bought 2 because I want to give one to the cleaning lady of this apartment building because she always comes to take my garbage, which I'm not quite sure if she's supposed to. Now I'm going to put some dog food into this bag and go around the neighborhood. Everyone is gone. Maybe they go somewhere else already. Oh no, there's one here. That's his house. Oh my god. So obviously he has an owner. Oh, the flowers are so pretty. Oh, my target, my target. Hello, come here. Hello, come here. Hey, hey, hey. Chico. Hello, come here. Oh my god, he's so sensitive. He was in his little house. Okay, Chico. Okay, Chico. Oh. Hola. Hola. Oh, yo, yo. ¿Qué tal? Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo. I just asked the cleaning lady about the dog. She said, it's just a street dog, but the neighbor, they were so nice and they just built him a house. I asked, oh, do they fit the dog? She said, she doesn't know. Maybe or maybe not. But he's so friendly. I guess he's very lonely as well because, yeah, he just wants to follow me home. He looks very clean but extremely dusty. Lunchtime. I have some leftover bacon. Well, it has been sitting in my fridge forever. Ingredients ready. I'm not going to put any oil because I have a lot of bacon. Onion, a lot of bacon oil, mushroom. I want to add on some sausage as well. Let me cut this black avocado this time. It goes bad a little bit. I forgot about the pasta. It looks so soft. Just gonna put everything together with the pasta. Oh. Then I'm going to put some pesto sauce, which I love. A lot of it. I have my pasta in avocado. I can't wait to go back to Mexico because now my hair is so long and it takes forever to dry. Now it's almost 11 o'clock. If there's not many people in the supermarket, I'll go there to get something. And then I need to go to the cafe to pick up my bread because I ordered some gluten-free bread. Yeah, that's it. There's no rain, but the sky is in gray. Lunchtime, I'm gonna make grilled cheese sandwich. This is a gluten-free bread. Let's see if it's difficult to cut or not. Whoa. Wow. Wow. It looks like cake. It doesn't look like bread. I didn't cut it too nicely, but that's okay. Yeah, everything is falling off. I got 2 types of cheese and cream cheese. Okay. Then I'm gonna apply some cream cheese. Wait. Put some here and spread it. Then whoop. Get together. A bit of butter. Put the bread inside. I hope it works because this bread looks like a cake instead of bread. Meanwhile, I'm gonna open this cream of chicken and mushroom. I was so depressed when I couldn't find this soup on the shelf when I was in the supermarket. But then I found they got a box on the floor, so I just unpacked that myself. I know it's very unhealthy, but it's just so cold in here. And I don't want to eat instant noodle anymore. I have some fresh mushrooms. I think I will add 2 pieces into it. How do you guys cut your mushroom? Into slices or chunks? Normally I make my own mushroom soup, but the blender here doesn't look very friendly. Yum yum yum. It looks very pretty. Let's cut it. It looks like this. Avocado. Let's have a try of the bread. It tastes good, but it's more like a cake rather than a bread. Simple life under quarantine. After my lunch, I'm gonna do some exercise. And yeah, I'm gonna write a script for my video. And yeah, that's it. If you like my video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. I'll see you next time. Bye!